On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves. That of flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing guys so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning, Otter gang, Bitcoin dying. What's going on? We got volatility, man. This is awesome. Hopefully you're all having a beautiful, beautiful day. Bitcoin 62,500, baby. Here we are, up, down, all around. Who cares? It's moving, baby. That's all we care about. And let's jump into the chat and let's say good morning. What is going on, everybody? Gang. Let's go, baby. I mean, whew. Slurps, sandwiches, dollar bills. Oh, man. What's going on, everybody? Good to see you. MDL. Hope you all have a great day. I mean, the day is what you make of it, right? I mean, you can get puckered and buttercupped, you know. I'm sorry to my accountant, man. I told you it was going down. I didn't expect it to go down this fast, but oh, man. Who did, right? Who did? Capitulation is a good thing. Okay, this is, you can either be pucker up buttercup, or you can be prepared. You know, when there's blood in the streets, baby, right? When there's blood in the streets. So here we are. I caught some shorts yesterday. I was down like 6,000 yesterday. My account was at like 34,000 yesterday. I am back up to 39,600 today. Scalping the way down. Just been, you know, taking my time. I got caught offside yesterday. I was pretty upset with myself yesterday with the way I traded. I just understood, like, I was looking. I mean, we can go back and look at it if you want. But yesterday, guys, on the live stream over here, I was looking to come into here, guys, and I didn't short. I tried to long like an idiot. So, long story short, it sucked, but I was able to catch a little bit of a ride down here, which made up for a lot of the poor execution yesterday. Not the analysis was top notch yesterday, but doesn't matter what you think it's gonna do. It matters what you do, right? A lot of the time. Does anybody ever have that? Like, you have like a plan and then you like trade exactly the opposite? Put a 1 in the chat. Maybe you guys have done that. I did that yesterday. I totally did that. So, you know, I had to reset and all that stuff and not yell at myself too much. That's how it goes sometimes, man. You guys let me know. It's just like you have the plan, you don't execute the plan, and you pay for it. In this job, you pay for it, man. Okay, what's going on, Marius? Good to see you. George, how you doing, man? Good morning, good morning, good morning. BTC is looking for some blood this week. We're expecting a bounce back. And sending it to 0. I mean, that's how they want you to feel, right? I mean, in this area, what do we do at this time? This is as simple as you can put it, guys. What do we do here? Okay, I don't even want to ask where the 200 moving average is. It's probably somewhere close. What do we do? This is what we do right here. Where's my big circle? I'll make it clear. Okay, that's what we do right here. You ain't got to be complicated, guys. This is it. We gonna get bored. This is the fun. Enjoy this right now, guys, because this is like whatever moving average goes through here, right? This is what we're, wait until you get here. And you'll be, as a trader, there is we love volatility. You should anyways, right? If you're going to get paid sooner rather than later, who doesn't like getting paid fast, right? We are currently bouncing off of a SFP golden pocket area. We'll see if we do bounce up here. I'm not married to a bounce, guys. We had the dead cat bounce last night. It came back and it squeezed everybody. That was really good. I gave this level and I gave this level up here to the gang last night. Just saying. The gang will let you know. I mean, it's not my job to boast. I give a level. Doesn't mean you executed it properly, right? Execution yet again. Right? It's nice to have a guide, though. I think the Discord, we've done really well. Congratulations to every Discord member who's been crushing it. Great work. Here's our dead cat bounce. Down we come. But we called this level, and we gave them this level. And it was, the juicy Asia trades, man. What's going on, Piper? What's going on, man? How you doing? Pie Bear, are you back? U.S.-based announcements, 97,000 job cuts in May. Oof, yikes. Rashad, what's going on? Duality, good to see you. Good morning. Crypto Rob from Ladyboy Central. Yeah, watch out, man. They be swinging over there. Hopefully you're having fun. GG's on your trade. Mr. Mike, how you doing, man? God bless you, man. Sold $10 again. Yeah, perfect, man. I love it. I'll be a buyer. Mr. Kemp, how you doing, man? Proof of work. Shri and Pandy. Gang. Good to see you, bro. How you doing? Thank you for being here and always showing up and saying good morning. Why crypto? French toaster. Gang. Mr. Hung, how you doing, bro? Thank you for being here as well. Into Chop City here. So we'll see. No trades right now. Still waiting. We'll see what we get to. Clearly downtrending here. Bull divs trying to push out. Like I said, battled back. 39.6. Ready to go, man. We'll see. We'll see where the Bitcoin price action takes us. Right now, golden pocket 786 retracement, swing low to swing high. So we're in that area where we could potentially bounce. We'll see. I mean, lower. Lower. It's just how we get there. Like, the problem is you, as a trader, you need to wait for the squeeze, and then that's where you're right. Like, the squeeze is key, especially with down only price action. Like, you will get paid, but if you don't wait for, like, if you start getting in here, you may get squeezed, right? That's the problem. You start getting in here, you may get squeezed. Okay, understand that. They like to squeeze before they send it, right? Yeah, last night was just rollover completely. We'll see. Good fun. We are in a bounce level though right now, so patience. I'd say patience. We wait patiently. Patience pays, man. What's going on, Ape Breath? Good to see you, Douglas. Trace E. What's going on, guys? Good to see you. Thank you for being here. Otter Gang. Let's go, baby. Crypto Rob, how you doing? Everybody thinks down might go up. Well, we'll think about it. Institutional buyers are probably stepping up here. Like I even bought some Bitcoin last night. And my buy doesn't go in until this morning, right? It's my wife's tax-free savings account. You can buy some Bitcoin ETFs there, so I put a little bit more money into that. So when market opens, there's most likely a bid coming in my opinion. So we'll see how it doesn't mean that people aren't going to sell into that bid. But it's you don't get obviously the trend's down. It's been down only, so it's like, when are they going to squeeze? You don't really know. So you prepare for that with what? Good risk management, high probability trade setups, right? There's ways to join the roller coaster ride down, but there's also, it's the click on the way up you got to watch for, right? Because you might have already clicked all the way up, click, whee, and you might be on the second hill, right? You might be coming up that second hill. So you got to watch for that, and then you want to join the ride, right? We like lazy river rides, right? Lazy river, right? If we were all billionaires, we would have that, nice house in a hot climate with a lazy river and girls with fruit serving us grapes or whatever, right? Like, and we'd just be chilling there on our laptop, clicking a couple buttons, liking and subscribing to AlexOCrypto because he just comes on and talks shit and takes trades, right? That's all we would do, right? What's going on, French Toaster? Powell, good to see you. Aaron, J Prince, my man, how you doing? JR, Army Piper, French Toaster, Wayne C, Cubanadian, Jackson. Oh, man, what's going on? Mojo, Jojo, smuggling grapes, yeah. Watch out for those grape smugglers, man. They're next level. We got summertime cross-country skiers where I live, man. You've never seen a rich white man sport like this in your life. You got these guys, they're all wearing like those smuggling grape pants, the bike shorts. And they're all got the full Tour de France headgear and the helmet, and they're all skiing down the road, man. It's something to behold. It's like white privilege. It says like, I'm rich and I have nothing better to do, so I'm gonna go skiing on the road. You should have seen this one kid the other day. He was going up this fucking huge hill, man. Right? Huge hill. And he's got the snowplow out, like he's trying to get up the hill. I got a summer cross. Oh my God, I felt, if my wife and I looked at this guy, and I was like, if that was my son, I'd probably hit him with the car. I'm not trying to be like morbid or anything, but like, you gotta be like, if you're not gay, you're something, right? Like, I'm telling you, like, this is like legit, but they got like the full body suit on. They got the grape smuggling, like these are like spandex. They got the like number, the helmet, and they're like going up. I'm talking like a fucking hill. Like, I live in the mountains, right? Like a hill. And I'm like, you could not, like, the ride down the hill definitely not worth it, man. I don't know. It's probably a great workout, but like, you just look like go for a jog, man. Right? Go for a jog. Right? Anyways, I digress. What's going on, Trian? Good to see you, Trenchy. Is it quiet on the stream? I think the sound levels are all the same. I haven't changed the sound level. It should be all right. Sound should be good, guys. Shrian, Nick, Game of Coins, good morning. Paul Hindenburg, the hottest air balloon in all of crypto. Jason, what's going on, Yarbuck? Good to see you, Douglas, Aaron, Patillion. Good morning. Decent Crypto, Rick. How you doing, bro? Good to see you, Rashad. Would be nice over the next 2 to 3 months that we reverse and start climbing back up. I don't mind the truck up. Yeah. I mean, the hopium is there. I mean, there is opportunity for things to push, right? Like, there is some catalysts, right? Clarity Act, blah, 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 right? I mean, it doesn't mean it's dead. The fastest way to get paid, and it's the fastest way to get laid. That's the one, right? Crypto Jim, good to see you. Madara, Francois, good morning. Trenchy, how you doing? Got chopped up yesterday. Yeah, I got chopped up yesterday too, and then I bounced back for the short. Trade the pink box. Yeah, the pink box is lucrative. Let's put it that way. What do you expect already? Being already 1K up, but it's coming. Then it goes straight down. Well, it's volatile, right? So, like, you don't get married to the trade. You pay yourself on key targets. That's the key, man. I mean, what's going on? How you been? Mr. Schaefer, how you doing, bro? God bless you, bro. I miss you. Everybody say hi to Jonathan Schaefer in the chat. My man, the myth, the legend. My first modder otter right here. The original Jonathan Schaefer coming through and saying good morning. What's going on, bro? Good to see you. Hopefully you and the wife and the kid are doing all right. How do you define order blocks? They're otter blocks, by the way. We can talk about order blocks if you want. I mean, it's pretty simple. It's pretty simple. You just think about it like, well, it's an order, a block of orders, right? So you keep that simple. So what does that mean? There's buyers or sellers in that area, right? How do you define them? For me, it's always you're always looking for the one, right? So if you got nice pump here, if you got green candle, green candle, green candle, green candle, and all of a sudden there's this one red candle in here, you know something happened here, okay? So that's your order block here. And you would isolate that candle, and you would expect price to return to that candle, boop, only to fill an order, right? So price would return, so it would push up. It would retrace to that order. It would fill that order, and then it would continue upwards. Order blocks are magnetic, right? So that's how I use them, right? But hey ho, here we are. This is volatile today, guys. I'm not sure if I'm interested. We got rounded bottom, higher high, higher low, continuation up, coming into our local golden pocket right now. VWAP. No trade right now. Patience. Official, what's going on, man? We'll talk a little bit more about order blocks if you want, man. Good to see Douglas. Allen, how you doing, man? DG. Let's go, man. Great short. Holy smokes, Graysky, my man. What's going on, bro? I love you, bro. Hopefully you and the family are well. I got a call. Got to get on a call, man. I miss you, bro. How's the boat? He got a boat. In midlife crisis, and he bought a boat and he left the gang. Well, he didn't leave the gang. He's never not part of the gang. It's just, he's family first, man. Army Piper, good to see you, man. Good morning, everybody. Thank you for being here. Crypto Jim, Alan Shunts, good morning. Top of the morning. Good to see you, OG Doc. Hooty hoo. Vegas Claw, my man, good morning. Buenas mornings. Mr. Vegas Cloud, God bless you, man. Thank you for being here. The trend is your friend until the end. Captain Jack, what's going on, man? Thank you, bro. Tyson, Republic, Synthetics, Harpist, good to see you guys. All right, so where are we at? What are we looking at? So, levels, given in advance in the Discord, crushing it. Very good job, everybody. I mean, the Discord's on fire. We gave we were dumping yesterday, approaching new levels. I'm 75% out of the short. There was our level. We bounced off of that the red line, guys. big red line. Then we had a resistance level up top here, okay? Order block. There's your order block. Who would have thought, right? Guess what happened? Price went into those levels and it reacted, right? This was our buy level here, the red line. Let's put the red line on the chart just so that I can, tell you guys. There's our level, bounced. There was our order block, rejection. Okay, so boing, 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 dead cat bounce, right? As soon as you see this low, you are looking to short. Okay, where are we at now? Well, we're at the bottom of the range. Everybody's so puckered, it's not even funny. This is perfect for us. As traders, we love the volatility. Who cares about where everybody is doom scrolling, posting, oh my God, here we go, we're going to zero. Whatever. I don't care about that, really. I mean, that's all. You got to separate your hodl bags from your trading bags. That's numero uno. First of all, don't get married to your bags. I'm telling you, marriage is hard. Find the right partner. I got an amazing wife, right? But man, this is like, we need to get back to 65. Very clear. Okay, very clear. Retested previous lows. We were looking to sweep this low at 59, 60,000, right? If we zoom out even further beyond your recognition, all right, and we get into here. Oh man, we're going into here, guys. Here we are. Look at this. We have a pretty nicely defined range. These are good things. These help us, okay? We cannot, I repeat, we cannot lose 57. We could even pull this back into here, okay? Just so that we have some more data if you want. All right. There is a steep drop off the planet Earth here, right? Right? You got to look at your volume. So where are we going to fall off a cliff, right? I would say that if we lose 57, we are going down to 51, 47, and 44, okay? That is a big, girthy level at 42. Big girth, okay? And then massive. I mean, this is a whole different energy down there, okay? That's that big energy. If you know, you know. So mark out these levels. Let's do it together, okay? So simple, right? AlexOCrypto. How do you do it, man? Well, you look at the technicals. We're pumping, baby. We're pumping right now. Holy shit. Here we come. All right. Sorry. I'm getting excited about key levels below. What about key levels above? Well, we're coming into golden pocket rejection zone right now. Little squeeze this morning. Congratulations on your long if you did get long in here. I think I saw JR get long in here. I didn't say good morning to JR this morning. I've been trolling him. I've been lurking in the background, JR. Whew, squeeze, baby. Squeeze. Squeeze them shorts. VWAP slap. Very aggressive into VWAP no trade. Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee. Look at that. Damn, Daniel. Look at that. Aggressive move through VWAP is bullish. There is no box. Nice push. Let's go. Soy boy Lana, my girl. My girl, you so ugly. Looks like you inverted headed shoulders, push back, bounce, try to go. Let's go. Let's go. Push. Man. And like we said, there could be a squeeze today, right? Everybody all shorting. Institutional money waking up 8:30. Coming into today is going to be a fun day. We must be patient. Do we have any data today? Today's Thursday. I don't think we have that much data today. No, today's a non-data day. We got initial jobless claims at 8:30. Is that going to affect the price action, you think, there, Piper? Initial jobless claims. And then tomorrow is going to be a good one. Tomorrow we got unemployment and non-farm. Nice push here, guys. Woof. Let's go. Nice push to short. Here's our squeeze that we were talking about. Above VWAP, pretty bullish push here. No trade. You guys are all gig along. You gotta keep them separated. Why you must click the big button to verify. You don't have permission to access the Discord. Any ideas? You could be banned. Maybe you got kicked off. You could be kicked out. But if you're in the Discord, if you're in the Discord and you don't have access to your membership, you have to go to the website and verify. That's the you go to a website. Look, it says Discord. Big orange button after you join, and you verify your membership. That's it. And then you're good. Simple. It'll give you the role. It'll assign you the role, and you'll get access to all the goodies. Kyle just put a video out on order blocks. Yeah, Kyle does a good job, man. Good morning, Chantel. Good to see you. Have you heard of TRD, Schaefer, or not? Is your cat liquidating you still? TRD farmers in here. Man, all the OGs are coming through, man. Out of the woodwork. What's going on, guys? Good to see you, man. Makes me smile. These guys used to watch, like, there was, like, my mom and her second phone, and my mom's dog, when I had, like, 3 subscribers, and then these guys, like Farmer, and Alexander G, and Dave Digital, and Schaefer, and Tony. Right? Anonymous. Good times, man. We all start somewhere. We all start somewhere. What a time to be alive. All right. Failure to push here. Aggressive move through VWAPs, typically bullish. Still waiting here. This candle's ugly. We need to come back into here, really. We'll see. We shall see. We do have our lower levels that we just marked out. We'll add those to our charts as key levels of support and targets for the downside move. If it happens, right? Right now, this don't look like downside move. This looks like up. Very key up. We're gonna come to that that higher high, higher lower, higher high to lower low golden pocket up here. Acceptance back into this. Yeah, there's volume here. Yeah, interesting. Nice push, though, coming into market open. NASDAQ, let's take a look there. NASDAQ bottoming structure took a little bit of a beating recently. So you can see, obviously, this has not just affected crypto. I mean, that's trillions of dollars lost on the NASDAQ here. Rotation down. Pretty aggressive rollover here on the NAS. So keeping our eyes on the prize. Burgers and fries. So we'll see where we get to here. And then the SPY and the ES. So really, same thing, rollover. Yeah, so gap down for the SPY expectational order flow right now. Coming into these areas here. It's going to be fun today coming back for this. Ooh, capitulation. However, Bitcoin is pushing back right now, looking all right. So that's a terrible top, man. Look at this. Look at the state of that. Aggressive, leaving gaps above. Needs to come here. Should be fun today, guys. I mean, I love the volatility. Put a 1 in the chat if you are long. I want to congratulate you on your longs. You got stones. Put a 2 in the chat if you're still short. OG Takeover Thursday. Let's go, baby. You guys are wild, man. Burn the boats. Good morning. Good to see you, Graysky. Horace, how you doing, bro? Chantel, good morning. Roundings rule. Yeah, we rounded bottom. You love a good rounded bottom. We know you, Django, too well. We know you too well. 2, we short. Let's go. Shorts, longs, shorts, longs. Shorts, longs. Schaefer remembers when I used to trade like a $50 account, guys. Okay. Crazy times, man. Wild. I was a brokey for sure. Using my like 70x leverage and trading shit coins. Things have changed, eh? I can't believe I stayed, really. I can't believe I stayed. Not my idea. I just showed up every day. Pretty cool. Pretty cool how, like, if you look at the history of your trading, never did I ever think we would be streaming to 300 people saying, hey, man, if you want to do a like, that would be cool. It's kind of gay. There's 316 people here and only 70 likes. Never did I ever think an exchange would allow me to give away $5,000 to the community. I mean, the Discord was free for what? Almost 3 years. Let me just keep adding and adding and adding and growing and showing, man. Growing and showing. That's what this is all about. It's from car painter to day trader. I don't know if it's like a love story. It's fucking hard. Painful. Lots of pain in that story. But I stuck with it. This is a great squeeze this morning. Let's go. Aggressive moves through VWAPs typically bullish. Retest continuation up here. Not really interested yet. Solana's pushing nicely. Still waiting, guys. The cost of it now is basically free. I mean, if you manage your risk well and take our trades, I mean, it's not financial advice, but you know, we do pretty well. Glad to hear you share your story. Trying to catch the top of the drop. I'm down 30%. You're not down 30%. You're just around the corner from profitability. It's just a matter of time. Your last trades don't, you can't be defined by how much you're down. Your next trade is what's going to define your trading, right? So you see me top blasting here? No, I want to take a long, right? But shorts are higher probability. We got inverted head and shoulders here on the NASDAQ though. And this could pop right here, so I'm just cautious here. SPY's rolling over as well. So like SPY rolling over, but ES catching a bid a little bit. It's bear flagging. Golden pocket up here. Or did I forget to adjust it? Nope, it's still here. All right. It hasn't left. It's still here waiting for us. Nice squeeze this morning coming into market open. ES squeezing, NASDAQ squeezing, retest back down. Continuation up, continuation up. Solana pushing out quite nicely here. Holding the low. Still no trade, still waiting. Interview today, let's go. ADA Ace, base pay, 25K more USD a year, let's go. My prayers are with you, man. Good luck with that, ADA Ace. Let us know how you did. Don't forget to tell them to like and subscribe. Smash that like, let's go. Never been more 3 in my life after yesterday. You skiing, eh? Alex got that panda look on. What's going on, Wick? Good to see you, man. How's you and wifey doing? Hopefully you guys are you're doing well. Happy days today. Happy days today. Am I expecting short or long today? I like going both ways, you know? No, I mean for me right now it's a bit of patience. We're moving quite aggressively on price action, so whenever price is very volatile like this, right? It's just sheer panic, and people are buying, people are selling, people are buying. So it's good, right? But it's waiting for setups, so it's waiting for high probability trades. I'm short biased because of macro trend, right? Naturally, you're short biased in here. Oh yeah, if you do want to join the Discord, there's a summer sale, 20%, $20 off your first month. If you do want to join, you can do whatever the hell you want with that. Yeah, you don't need to join. We're a very happy gang. But yeah, you're short bias with this. You got your dead cat bounce here, rolling over, right? You've been slammed, right? So there's no reason why you can't go up, right? I do expect bids to come in this morning. People see $62,000 Bitcoin. It's 50% off, guys, right? This is 50% off Bitcoin. That's all it is. This is if you think we're going to make new highs on Bitcoin, this is 50% off. That's how you should look at it, right? Change the way you look at things. Oh my God, we're dying. Well, it's on sale, bro. Right? I mean, I'm buying today. Once I hope this cools down a little bit so I can buy, a little bit cheaper. It's it's already 2% higher than I expected to pay. That's fine. I mean, long-term game, and then short-term game. I mean, I just want to continue to smash these trades and accumulate more fiat to accumulate more assets, right? That's it. Coming into that golden pocket now, so this is reversal territory, potential for reversal here. Up into this area, we'll see if we get some top-end structure. I'm looking for rotation back down into imbalance right here. We'll see. Up only, though. Up only. Expect it after, after they rug everybody twice. Like, rug, right? So, we wait. Everybody wants cheaper, but afraid. I mean, exactly. I tell the Discord when I pull the trigger. BTL shows what retail money is doing, while the S&P shows what institutional. Okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. I mean, I buy stocks too. I mean, you have your pot. Make sure you understand the pot. Okay, so you have your pot of money, right? Right. Here's your big pot of money, and you want to fill this thing with assets. Otherwise, you lose money to inflation. That is the hard truth about it. If you do not own assets, you are going to just be de-dollarized. All right. So you must fill this accordingly. That is your job, is to take your stupid money that loses 10% a year. Ask me how expensive peas are in Canada. Okay? And you must put it into assets. Whether it's real estate, whether it's fucking Pokemon cards. I don't give a smack what you buy. But it must be assets. And there must be a division of assets where you have safe, growth, and risky, and you must allocate according. Okay, you must allocate accordingly. Otherwise, you a broke ass. Okay, and that's just how it goes, man. If you can't figure that out, you got some work to do. Even if it's $5 a day, even if it's $1 a day, stop buying that fucking coffee or whatever it is, right? We'll show you how to click buttons and make money here. And then as a trader, my opinion, as a day trader, your job is to compound an account, whether it's a $500 account, whether it's a $100 account, whether it's a $1,000 account, into $10,000. That is your number one priority. Your job is to manage your risk like an absolute ninja and compound into a 10K account, because then you're making 300, risking $100 to make $300. This can change your life. This is okay. This can change your life. This road from here to here is what's going to define you as a trader. That's what changed my life. This road from here to here, because once you start doing this, it becomes it's like this, and then it's like this, guys. Okay? As long as you do what? You manage your risk. You risk 1% per trade. You show up every day. You learn. You apply. You adjust to the market conditions. It's very possible. I mean, there's lots of people here today who've seen me do it. Okay? It's wife-changing money. I mean life-changing money. I didn't say wife. Or maybe it's get yourself a wife changing money. Right? What's the chart on the bottom called? That's just my little indicator. That's for the gang. It's just our little warning system here. This is my vibe code, baby. See, we got otters, we got spoons, we got money bags, got rules around it. An indicator is only as good as the person who's using it. It's a warning system, basically, if you know how to use it. Alex, did you just say stop buying coffee? That's a bit much. No, you just buy a big ass bag of coffee and make it at home. I have my first edition binder still, French toaster. I still have my first edition. I don't have a Charizard or anything, but I got a couple hollows and like the whole, almost all. I got like a almost 150 the whole way through for my kids as a kid binder. I still have my binder. I'll have to pull it out one day and show you guys. You show me yours, I'll show you mine. It's nothing special, but it's my childhood. I got my Yu-Gi-Oh cards still, and Digimon, and Crazy Bones, and Pogs. I still got all of that stuff. Yeah, I got that stuff. My son has all my action figures right now, so he's got like my Batman and Spider-Man and the OG Batmobile. It's pretty cool. I do make fun of TRD, like Farmer Jesse. Your latte art looks like cocks. Like that's it. You're trying to do the like, shoo, and it's just like, that's your latte art, bro. Like, my son could do better latte art, and he's not even 2. Oh man. Are we seeing a reversal? A little bit of exhaustion up at the highs here, but it's just continuation order blocks. So if we're looking for longs, I'd be looking for a retest back into here. VWAP, order block, continuation up into golden pocket retracement. So just a little patience right now. A little bit of patience. Hater. I'm sure your coffee tastes great. Coffee, I mean. A little bit of patience here. What's going on, Kyle? How you doing, bro? Guys, if you're not subscribed to Kyle, I don't know what the fuck you're doing. I don't know why you watch me. If there's a person for you to watch who's actually like a professional and does well, and has this guy he turned $2 into, what was it? 2 million? 240 Bitcoin or something stupid like that. Go follow Kyle here, guys. If you're not following Kyle, you're losing out. All right, so here's Kyle.
Hey
You're
guys,
gonna go over to Kyle from Investor Share. You're gonna go over to this video. I'm gonna do a giveaway here. You go over here and comment Otter Blocks, OTTER blocks, and we'll do a membership giveaway and some money. Otter blocks. Maybe your broke ass will win some money. And $26 into 40 Bitcoin. This guy fucking did it. He's my hero. He's Batman, I'm throbbing. Okay, if you don't know, he's Batman, I'm throbbing. Okay, go and subscribe to Kyle. He goes live every day. He prints. He's a printer of money, and he's a professional. He unfortunately lives in Ontario, but we still love him, man. And he's a family man, and he's a good human. Go subscribe to Kyle. Go over to that video. We'll do a giveaway right now. You guys all over there? You guys all commented Otter Gang over there?
Hey guys,
I gotta watch this video. He asked me to watch it. Come on, Otter Blocks. Let's go, baby. Let's go. More likes, more subscriptions, please. Go subscribe to Kyle. Join InvestaShare. He'll show you how he does it. You can join my Discord too. He's in my Discord as well. But you can join his Discord community too. And he holds your hand. And he holds your schlong and he shows you how to press the buttons and make the money. Fucking great human, man. Go and subscribe to Kyle.
hey guys, this is Kyle.
Are we done? Have you guys all commented Otter Blocks? Okay, comment picker time. You guys are good, man. Thank you, community. Thank you for supporting Kyle. He's a human, man. He's a good human. Here we go. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Ladies and gentlemen, congratulations on your... If you're already a Discord member, we go, Bruce, let's go. Bruce with the big D, man. Bruce with the big D. Congratulations. Come over to the Discord, and we'll hook you up with either a membership or some, that big Bruce D energy, baby. Let's go. If you guys aren't subscribed to Cal, I don't know what you fucking give your head a shake, man. Bruce with the big D, man. Watch out. He's swinging it. Come over here, Bruce, and we'll hook you up, man. God bless you. Thank you for being on the show and hanging out. Bruce D, open up a ticket. You see a support ticket, you click on the tickets, you say open ticket, and you're good to go, and I'll hook you up, bro. Welcome, Bruce. When Beatboxing Channel. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, subscribe to Kyle. Chismo. We'll see. I don't think I'm gonna, I don't think my community, they're a bunch of males who want to click buttons and make money. They're not interested in hearing my mouth garbage. They want to just make money. Little stall out before Golden Pocket here. Coming for the liquidity of the high as well. We'll see if we do slap it here. Woo, slap and go. Continuation up, no stopping it. No stopping it, no trade right now. Still waiting, guys. Taking the trades, showing the trades. Battling back. I'm up over 9,500 this week. Just doing it. That's it, man. Just doing it. I was down 7,000 yesterday. Oh, fuck. And then I battled back. That's how we roll. A little bit of puckering. All right, Golden Pocket here. Rejection or no? Boom, 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 boom. Doji engulfing continuation. There's no short here yet. Need to lose this low now. Need to lose the low. We'll see. Why is this so thick, man? That's what, it's got, my trend line's got girth. Continuation up. We'll see. Knicks won last night. Yeah, I watched the last 4 minutes. The Spurs kind of choked in the last 4 minutes of that game last night. Wicked three by what's that guy who looks like he has autism? Great three. Wicked shot, man. He stole the ball. He deflected a rebound, jumped into the corner and splashed a three. That was really good. What are your thoughts on sweeping the February low? I mean, they're front running it right now. You wrote order blocks, not otter blocks. So I guess you didn't have an opportunity to win there. Reversal in play, not yet. Where am I from? I'm from Toronto. Born and raised. At least he isn't a true Torontonian. No, that's me, man. I'm sorry. When people tell me they're from Toronto, they're like, I'm from Pickering. I'm like, you're not from fucking Toronto, man. You're from the arsehole of Ontario. I'm from Hamilton. I unfortunately, but fortunately, I'm a true Torontonian. As Farmer would say. I mean, I grew up Queen and Broadview. There isn't much in the thick of it more than that. Guys up only, man. 850. Push into golden pocket 618. Breakout, retest. Vertical. Squeezing them shorts. Down we go. Oof. Retest to previous lows on Solana. Nice rounding bottoms here. Continuation up. Break a structure. Retest to order block. Continuation up as well. Overextended in my opinion, but we'll see where we get to today, guys. Wicked dump yesterday. Hopefully you all caught some of that short. I did. And we'll see where we get to today. The idea right now, we just marked out a whole bunch of levels that we could go to below. All right. Geronimo. Let's put this in a folder. This will be our volume support macro. Okay. You gotta keep it organized, right? Always keep it organized as much as you can. So here's your volume support macro levels that you guys can all add to your charts. Take a screenshot, tell your dad, whatever. So these are the levels that we're looking to hold at potentially. Okay, will we hold? I don't know. Up, down, all around. We use market structure, predictive analysis to kind of get there, but this is where we're looking to hold. Can we get there? We'll see, right? Bitcoin's coming into that low, right? Of capitulation, rotation down. Can we go lower? Absolutely. Are we going to? We'll see. I'm happy to trade it with you guys. So we'll see where we get to. These are where I'm looking for support to come in. I really like the $47,000 level. I've said that from like up here. Okay, we'll see where we get to. But this is where I'm looking for it to hold. Happy days. I expect a lull, summer lull in here, whatever. And then wee. Okay. So we just want volatility. We want price action to move as much as possible so that we can make as much money to accumulate assets throughout this, whatever it wants to do in here. Okay. Even if it wants to do it up here. Okay. If this, then that. Have a plan. So can we come lower? Yes. Are we going to go lower? We'll see. We'll see. Locally right now, we have rolled over last night. Big old dump here. 4 hours bearish all the way through, guys. There's no nice push up here. Bullish engulfing on the 4 hour pushback. Okay. Can it continue up? We'll see. This pushback like we had the other day was met with a big rejection. Okay. So down is the trend. Any kind of reversal has been met with resistance. This is looking a little bit better than this yesterday. However, we need to be objective and patient here. It's been a nice push up, rounded bottom this morning, continuation. We'll see if it does want to continue. We're in a golden pocket resistance level right now. Can it continue? Not for me to decide. We'll see. I like this too. I'm going to keep this as a resistance area. We got our levels above that we are looking for potential rejections. This macro downtrend that worked at absolutely a charm yesterday, holding us down as well. So a couple of things here. If this, then that. We've moved up pretty aggressively, in my opinion. So this would be a target for us to come back into at minimum for low to high Fibonacci golden pocket area and bounce. Okay, so there is an opportunity for us to possibly get short at minimum into here after a little squeeze to the upside. However, trend has reversed locally, so a little bit of patience is going to pay. the 30-minute time frame. Nice couple of candles here coming into 9 o'clock as well. 15-minute candle looking a little bit exhausted up here at the golden pocket. We'll see if there is potentially an opportunity for a pullback. The NASDAQ is breaking out of that head and shoulders we identified this morning. Okay. And pushing onwards and upwards, looking to grab this liquidity of the high, and we'll see if that wants to continue to push as well. ES, bullish divergent sweep of the lows and nice mitigation of the low in here. So we look to rotate back into the lows of the previous range. We'll see if we can get going and get up there. Okay, we are putting in our first higher high just now. So watching this for pullback continuation. So looking decently bullish on our other assets. Can it pull Bitcoin up with it, or is Bitcoin just going to roll over? Looking for a break of this low in order to justify taking a short right now. Just a little bit of patience. Order block VWAP retest here. Okay, we can look at that. We can look at this right here. Whoop. We can look at this. Swing low to swing high. Whoop. This is an active fib right now, so we're looking at this area as well. Whoop. And we wait. Look at that. Okay, so if this then that, we're ready. Just very volatile and sporadic and choppy today, so I don't want to really just jump in willy-nilly. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We got 400 people here on the live stream. 118 likes. I'm here. I'm here for it. Is it coffee long time? Maybe. We're getting close. We're getting close. We'll see. We had some data come in today. Initial jobless claims coming in above expectations. Okay, initial jobless claims of May coming in. Claiming unemployment benefits rose. Okay, not the greatest set of data, but you know it's happening. Tomorrow's going to be the big one with the unemployment rate non-farm. 8:30 tomorrow morning. We'll bring it in with you guys. Hang out, kick some ass, take some names. Hopefully everybody's having a beautiful day. If you aren't signed up with the Bitunix link pinned in the comments, we do a giveaway, $5,000 every week. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. You just got to sign up, deposit, and trade with the Bitunix link pinned in the comments here. And then we do a raffle at the end of every stream, and people win lots of money. So sign up with Bitunix, support the channel. I greatly appreciate your support and being here and hanging out with me. Hopefully we can find some nice trades today. And thank you for being here and supporting. It means a lot to me and my family. So God bless you and thank you. So let's see where we get to today. Coming into our golden pocket, getting a little rejection right now. No trades right now. Showing the trades, taking the trades, trying to make crypto honest again. That's always the goal here. We were down yesterday. We battled back. Accounts at 39,600. Our account was at 50,000. We took profits. We're up. We took $20,000 profits. Now we're at up 9,600 for the week. Okay, for this week. Last week we lost 4,000. The week before that we made 20,000. So it's been a battle. It's been a battle, but you know, disciplined, consistency, showing up every day, taking the trades, good risk management. That's how we roll. Thank you for being here, everybody. And all I do ask, really, say good morning. Say good morning. That's it, man. Don't be a weirdo. How am I doing? I'm doing really well. I'm very grateful. I'm moving into my new house within the next 9 days till I take possession of my new house with me and my family. So it's single digits. How much did I start with? I blew five $1,000 accounts and I think 2 or 3 $500 accounts. So yeah, it's been a prego. Thank you, horse. Yeah, it took, the compounding is hard work. Where can I talk to you about the collab? Just come into the Discord and open up a ticket, man. That's the safest way. I don't really, just come into the Discord, open up a ticket, and you see there's a couple tickets already today. Support ticket, and we can talk. I'd let your dad talk your ear off about it, man. It's intense, 80% chance. Who's that? My favorite Alex OB bucks is when he does My Pony. Just a patch up, looking for a partner. Some blows out upside. What's even falling now? Slow it down for the old school. Need some help moving? I got you. You said you're doing some rental work. I got off on the right foot. You handled that before taking possession? Yeah. But you're still not ready for the fourth element's earth. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Ars, these peace, zero. No, press, quattro, one, two, if you're the pumps in there. Oh, good times, man. 90s beatboxing, baby. Where's your collab? Tradefly, you know you got a spot on this channel anytime you want, bro. You're family, bro. I love you. Hopefully you're doing well, man. Hopefully you're not working too hard. God bless you. Do I need some help moving? I got like all the tradies coming in for the first 3 days. So I got the electrician, plumbers, snaking all the drains, carpet cleaning, a couple of junction boxes put in, a couple of wires ran out to the backyard so I can hook up some things into the panel. And yeah, I got it all figured out right off the hop, so I don't have to deal with it while we're living in it. So gonna be a busy first couple of weeks. Busy first couple of weeks getting into the house and stuff, farmer. So we'll see how it goes, man. We want a coffee long. We got the coffee long. I need to go get coffee, actually. Working way too much right now. I'll send you some videos later. All right, man. Yeah, we'll get it going. If you guys aren't following Tradefly, he is family. You guys go to his channel and you can subscribe to Tradefly too. He's handsomer than me. And he beat me in golf. He's never going to let me. When we're 80, he's going to be like, remember that one time I beat you in golf? I'll be like, fuck you, you old man. Down the hill you go. Too fun. Yeah, I'm going to go get that coffee long. Here you go. Merry Christmas, everybody. Coffee long. I'm going to go say good morning to my beautiful wife and my beautiful family. Behave yourselves.
Yeah. Better sit low when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Van bass up my wallet. Yo, stay true to the digital. All the gang, let's go. I walked away for a minute just to get a coffee. Came back to the charts and the price moved off me. Saw a big green candle pushing through the VWAP. Aggressive move up, so I didn't want to stop. I felt the FOMO rising, yeah, I felt the itch. Thinking I was pre-rich, about to get rich. I ignored the bearish Steve on the market side for B just to degenerate. Yeah, that was me. I didn't wait for the retest or the golden pocket tap. I just market on it in, walk right into the trap. I'm top blasting, yeah, I'm blasting the top. Enticing buyers in before the big drop. Top blasting, buying high and selling low. Direct by wick, put on a gong show. Top blasting, I didn't pay myself. Now I'm round tripping trades, bad for my health. I pressed the green button when I should've clicked sell. Top blasting the high straight, the trade in hell. Now I'm sitting in my wanking chair, yeah, feeling kinda sick. Got the Hershey squirts, man, the candle was quick. Market makers on my order, that dirty rascal. Hunting my stop loss, now it's a hassle. I used to be a carpenter, dropping spikes all day. Now I'm clicking buttons, throwing gains away.
it's absolutely grim, mate. The price action is trash. Sure waiting for the sweep to secure the cash. I got tilted, started spiraling, losing my head. Should've closed the laptop and gone back to bed. Don't be an underpambe, don't be a douche canoe. You gotta wait for the setup to come to you. Be the turtle, slow and steady, that's the race. Don't let the green candles punch you in the face. I wanted to slap a rally, the big V-wap slap. Instead I got chopped up in a bull trap, making crypto honest to jam. That's the plan, but top blessing trades wasn't part of the brand. Learn from my mistakes, join the Discord fam. Don't buy the top or you'll get in the jam. AlexOCrypto, talking fat when the chips low. Stay true to the digital. All the gang, 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 bye. Yeah. Better sit low when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Van bass like my wallet. Yo, stay true to the digital. All the gang, 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 let's go. I walked away for a minute just to get a coffee. Came back to the charts and the price moved off me. Saw a big green candle pushing through the VWAP. Aggressive move up, so I didn't wanna stop. I felt the FOMO rising, yeah, I felt the itch. Thinking I was pre-rich, about to get rich. I ignored the bearish Steve on the market side for B just to degenerate. Yeah, that was me. I didn't wait for the retest or the golden pocket tap. I just market on it in, walk right into the trap. I'm top blasting, yeah, I'm blasting the top. Enticing buyers in before the big drop. Top blasting, buying high and selling low. Direct by wick, put on a gong show. Top blasting, I didn't pay myself. Now I'm round tripping trades, bad for my health. I pressed the green button when I should've clicked sell. Top blasting the high straight to trading hell. Now I'm sitting in my wagon chair, yeah, feeling kinda sick. Got the Hershey squirts, man, that candle was quick. Market makers on my order, that dirty rascal. Under my stop loss, now it's a hassle. I used to be a carpenter, dropping spikes all day. Now I'm clicking buttons, throwing gains away. It's absolutely grim, mate. The price action is trash. Sure waiting for the sweep to secure the cash. I got tilted, started spiraling, losing my head. Should've closed the laptop and gone back to bed. Don't be an underpambe, don't be a douche canoe. You gotta wait for the setup to come to you. Be the turtle, slow and steady, that's the race. Don't let the green candles punch you in the face. I wanted to slap a rally, the big V-wap slap. Instead I got chopped up in a bull trap, making crypto honest to jam. That's the plan, but top blessing trades wasn't part of the brand. Learn from my mistakes, join the Discord fam. Don't buy the top or you'll get in the jam. AlexOCrypto, talking fat when the chips low. Stay true to the digital. All the gang, 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 bye.
That didn't work. Oh, man. Golden pocket rejection. All right. Down we go. Where we stop, only Bitcoin knows. Whew. What's going on, gang? Good to see you guys. Let's see. Finally, the coffee long did not print. Yeah. What's up, players? Oh, man. Look, it's going to go up now that I'm back. Own it, yeah. One day. Tradefly did beat me in golf. Yes, he did. Golf is hard. Hershey Squirts is wild. Do you ever have the Hershey Squirts, man? It's terrible, especially like... Don't make me tell this story about being on the scaffold and getting the Hershey Squirts. It was a bad day. What's going on, Health? Good to see you, man. Ada Ace. Magic Mike. Good to see you, man. 60% of the time it works every time. Let's go. Will you plan to go long or short? I like shorts here. I'd like to see this low lost first. Low lost. La 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 last. What a tune. I'll check out your Instagram later, Tradefly. Thanks for the message, bro. I'm getting ready to go to move. Crazy times, man. Crazy times. I hate moving, man. Hopefully this is like a forever home for now. And I'm excited to build my office. We'll do an office reveal. You guys have any items that I need for my office? You guys should let me know. What besides you know. Coming into market open 9:11 right now. Hopefully everybody's having a beautiful day. Thank you guys for being here. 370 people on the live stream. 142 likes. Thank you guys for smashing them likes, hanging out. We'll see where we get to today. Taking the trades, showing the trades. Looking to come back into VWAP right now. A little bit of a rollover. NASDAQ retesting the neckline of this inverted head and shoulders. ES also, like I said, looking for that order block tap continuation up. Just being patient here this morning. A big rollover and capitulation. Death spiral last night. Managed to jump in the short here and get out almost break even for the day after a very tough trading day for me at the beginning of the day. Decent short on the way back down. We got our little dead cat bounce here, rollover, coming back to grab all these longs back in here. We'll see what we get for the rest of the day. I expect buyers to step up here. You know, $63,000 Bitcoin. A lot of people are willing to make some purchases here, in my opinion. We'll see if we do have to go lower. But down is the trend, guys. It's been a nasty one for a lot of these assets, I guess you would call. I don't know if we can call crypto assets anymore. Look at this. Everything. Ondo's down 10%. I mean, blood in the streets, right? If you have conviction long term, I mean, it could be an opportunity for you. For me, I'm a buyer on certain things. We'll be buying a little bit of Bitcoin today and a little bit of Solana. And that's just how I roll, a long-term outlook. But those are like hodl bags for a while. So you do your own research. This is why we're here to trade, though. We're here to trade, compound that fiat money so that we can buy assets. So right now, a little push-up. Nice rounded bottom in our golden pocket 786 here. Break of the high, continuation up. Big squeeze on all the late shorts overnight. And now we'll see if we want to roll over. I'd like us to come back down into these levels around 62,600. But we'll see. We'll see. Patience right now. Solana needs to come down as well. NASDAQ rolling over. Okay, so everything looks like it's overextended. A little squeeze this morning. We'll see where we get into. Thank you guys for being here and supporting the channel. Everybody's saying down. Okay, down, down, down. Otter Throne and Otter Phone. Let's go. A sexy secretary. Putting green. So I got a little putting mat, but not a putting green. I'll have to get one of those ones that you like can pump up and stuff like that. Not the penis pump, the golf putting mat pump. No need for plastering. Yeah, man. Will you plan to go long or short? VWAP settings? Regular VWAP, man, with standard deviation 1, 2, and 2.5. Otterfice. It's not an office. Air purifier. Yeah, I probably need that. Coffee long is pumping a bit. It's trying. Take care, brother. God bless you. Otter Throne and Otter Phone. We do need the Otter Throne, man. That would be so sick to have like a big Otter Throne. Maybe sure. Who's the guy? Herman Sherman Williams, something like that. The guy who makes the overpriced chairs, right? I thought I had a picture of me on an Otter Throne. Kyle did it or something like that, where I got like a picture of me on the Otter Throne. I don't know. Kyle and his creativity. I think there's one here. Yeah, there it is. I can't believe I haven't downloaded this. Oh my god, what is it doing here? Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Sorry, having a moment, guys. Just having a moment. Oh man, Herman Miller. That's it. Yeah, that wanker. He's got the ultimate wanking chariots. Like he's got the like gladiator movie wanking chariots of all times. Game of Otters. What areas are we looking for short? Well, we're in one. We've tapped one right now. Our golden pocket of this range in here. We have 64.4 and then we have 65,000. So this was definitely a short zone. Golden pocket rejection. You could have taken this. It's up to you. I ain't your dad. I'm just waiting a little bit right now. It's a little bit of a sporadic move up. I would like to see this low lost. Low lost. Go low lost and then we look for a lower high. We could possibly short. Still waiting right now. No rush for me. In an environment such as this, you wait for the setup. You take the setup based on good risk management. You're gonna get movement, but a little bit of patience, in my opinion, is gonna go a long way on days like today and yesterday. I rushed it a bit yesterday and I paid for it. Right, I was down $1,500 yesterday after being down 6 or 7. So good battle. But I mean, that short level seems to be working pretty well. Just saying. Put a 2 in the chat if you shorted this. I want to know. I want to say congratulations. That's what I want to say. GG's. House of Dragons out in a week or two? Oh, sweet, man. I'm behind on that. I mean, I love Game of Thrones. I've watched all Game of Thrones probably 5 times. You guys all took my short. You beautiful people, man. God bless you. Enjoy your money. Is it okay to revenge trade today, Dusty? You do you, man. But I would highly suggest you don't revenge trade. But I got you, bro. The best part about my Game of Thrones experience is that my favorite character was Arya from like the first season. I was like, this is my character, and she didn't die. So I just spoiled it for you, but you know, if you know, you know. If you haven't watched Game of Thrones, you probably shouldn't be here anyway, so. Wow. That box is printing. Down we go. VWAP slap. Nice break. So break has occurred. We can look for lower highs here. Coming into market open, 11 minutes. Thank you everybody for being here. Nice push up this morning. Yeah. Everybody dies, man. So I got lucky with that one. Right? Yeah, everybody dies. I got very lucky with that one. But it was cool to watch that like character arc. Ned was your guy. Let's go. Yeah. Everybody loved Ned. Until his head. Yeah, that was quite the ending. First season, man. Coming into VWAP right now. Nice rollover, man. I missed this short, guys. Like a nambe pambe. Nambe pambe. Don't be a douche canoe. Aggressive move through VWAP. Damn, Daniel. 10 minutes till market opens, and this thing ain't looking pretty now. Looking so pretty on the way up. And then, you know, trying to hold VWAP here for a little slap. Aggressive move through VWAP's bearish. Damn, Daniel. Why didn't I take that short? What a weak-willed person, man. Sometimes you wonder, right? Can you check WorldCoin? No, thank you, man. I like Jon Snow. Yeah, he should have just, you know, he should have just touched her culo. But he didn't. Yeah, Hagar was cool. Hagar was cool. The Hound. Yeah, Hound was cool as well. I think that fight between the Mountain though and what's his name? That was the best shit, man. What first time watching that fight? Oh my god. Right? The first time watching that fight between the Mountain and what's his name? The Serpent guy. That's got to be one of the best episodes ever, man. That was, you know, I won't ruin that one for who hasn't seen it, but my God, what a scene. The hand crush, man. That's all I got to say. I also loved Torin, the red bearded guy. He's just like always trying to fuck. He's always trying to fuck that Bree, the big butch knight. Yeah, man. Brienne of Tar. Good times, man. No hold here. Aggressive three candles down, so looking for continuation. Consolidation continuation. Trying to hold VWAP here. Into market open. Little bounce. Order block bounce. Trying to hold VWAP. Three nasty candles into VWAP though. I'm not really interested. Still waiting here, yeah. Nice pushback, a nice little pushback here. Can it push up? Trying to hold. Typically after three very aggressive candles in either direction, you get consolidation and then continuation. Typically. Right? Oh, my wife's calling me. 1 second. I'll be right back. Dump it?
AlexO, all-time gang. We want slap rotation now. Rip the band-aid off into the ground. Take the liquidity, sweep the low. Where does it stop? Nobody knows. Put a 2 in the chat if you are sure. Dump it. Down through the floor. Dump it. chat if you are short. See you later, Bitcoin. Bye bye, soul. Elevator down, losing control. Trapping the boost, drop at the top. Get out the way of the big old drop. Put a 2 in the chat if you are short. Dump it. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. 2 in the chat if you are short. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. Watch it pause. Send it to 0. Send it to 0. Put a 2 in the chat if you are short. Pay yourself on the way down. Making crypto honest again. Stay true to the digital. Put a 2 in the chat if you are short.
Of course, right at market open. Right at market open. Funny. We're back. All right, let's see where we get to, guys. Got a green light. Oh, we just got a little sweep. Let me just check 1 minute here. Consolidation continuation. A little sweep. Trying to hold VWAP. 3 minutes till market opens. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Thank you for your patience today. Hope you're all having a beautiful day. We're going to do the giveaway today, too, at 10:15. We go straight into the Discord and continue scalping on Thursdays and Fridays. And Tuesdays, even. Taking the trades, showing the trades. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Smashing like buttons, hanging out here. Congratulations on your short up at the highs here. We'll see where we get to here. Looking for a retest, continuation down. I have watched House of Dragons a little bit, but I haven't watched it like I've watched Game of Thrones. Shorts in the chat. Let's go. Put a 2 in the chat if you are short. GG's. Congratulations on your shorts, everybody. Love from Pakistan. Love from Canada. Good to see you, bro. Thank you for being here. What VWAP indicator are you using? I coded this myself. Lord Otter. Just standard deviations, VWAPs, previous day levels, order blocks. So, good fun. Don't forget Australia. Australia, fair income. Sorry, I never forget about Australia. I live there. Solana down. Sheesh. NASDAQ coming back. Head and shoulders breakout. Retested neckline. See if it holds here. ES trying to push up here. Expectation for SPY is a gap down. We'll see where we go to today on the SPY. Bitcoin trying to hold VWAP right now. No trades. Still waiting. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We'll see where we go to. We got 1 minute to market opens. Should be fun today. Whew. Exciting. Big dump for Bitcoin overnight. Into a dead cat bounce. Down we go. So dump, bounce. Here we are. Lower high. Can we get some bottoming structure in here? We'll see. We'll see a nice push up off of this morning low. Rounded bottom. 786 bounce level. Trying to push back here. Coming into market open. Can it hold, or are we going to get rejected from our golden pocket here? We'll see. Couple of resistance levels up top. Couple of buy levels down low. Which way are we going to go? Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Very volatile. Be patient, please, today. Okay, market is trying to digest this dump and capitulation. So patience will win. Thank you for being here and hanging out. 420 people here on the live stream, 170 likes. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. And the big $1,500 giveaway today at the end of the stream. Okay, so good times. Holding NASDAQ. NASDAQ rolling over pretty aggressively coming into market open here. SPY. Here we go. Gap in time. Which way are we going to go? Down. My Tesla alert. Sorry, guys. SPY gapping down, bounce. Bitcoin, no reaction. NASDAQ, dumping. Bitcoin holding VWAP here, surprisingly. Coming into market open. NASDAQ rotating down. SPY rotating up. Okay, interesting. See if SPY wants to hold. Critical level here at 7,500. Bitcoin holding VWAP. No decision yet. Golden pocket rejection, bearish divergence. Looking for a potential retest continuation down right now. We'll see where we get to. Pushing back here on Bitcoin. NASDAQ bouncing off the low. Sweeping the liquidity out of this low. We'll see. SPY is bouncing as well. So is Bitcoin. Trying to push back up. Will it continue up, or are we going to get rejected out of this block here? Interesting. Would be considering shorts up in here. Looking to come back down to the lows, potentially. But we're getting a bid. Holding VWAP, looking decent right now. So we'll see where we go. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. Woof. Solana, retest to previous highs, continuation up. Bitcoin, into order block, tap. Rejection or continuation up. No trade right now, still waiting. Very volatile morning. Awesome orb so far. We got almost a 1% orb. It's going to be a very busy day today, guys. So be prepared for anything. Big pushback on the NASDAQ. Bullish, okay? Bullish coming in. Bullish on SPY. Bullish on NASDAQ. Bitcoin, no reason to short here. Still waiting. Nice pushback for Biddy. There we go, up 1% already. Holding the lows of the VWAP coming into market open. Very aggressive push here. Okay, that's why you got to pay yourself. Nice push into here. NASDAQ holding. SPY holding. Bitcoin coming up for late shorts potentially here. We could sweep and dump. Still be aware. We are in macro downtrend, so shorts are preferred, but not necessarily going to happen right now. We could see a squeeze all the way up to, the highs in here, right? Liquidity in the highs, so we could see a very nice squeeze. That would be more than welcomed, really, if you want to see that squeeze up into this area here. Nice push for Biddy. Can it continue? Can it continue? Or is it going to stall out? NASDAQ continuing. SPY continuing up. Looking strong here. Continuation up. NASDAQ as well. Bitcoin. Okay, a little bit of exhaustion here. Solana pushing back up into the highs as well. Recovering back in an order block tap. Continuation up. Bitcoin cooling off a little bit. We'll see. Order blocks tap. Continuation down potentially here. We'll see. Holding. No trade yet. SPY holding as well. Okay. NASDAQ looks good here. Coming back. Liquidity sweep and pump. Bitcoin failing to push right now. Halfway down the candle. Continuation long potentially here. Nice push for Bitcoin. Follow through. Coming for the liquidity of the high. We'll see. No follow through. NASDAQ. NASDAQ trying to make a new high here. SPY. Yeah, SPY looks good as well. 1 minute SPY. Keeping an eye. Okay. This is decent here. Nice hold on VWAP, man. Put a 1 in the chat if you're long. You got to let me know. Got to let me know. No trade right now. Still waiting. Nice push for Biddy. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Let's go. Ones. Gulp. That's it, man. Let's go. Good job, everybody. Catching that VWAP long. Let's go. Bull season. Bull season. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if we squeezed a lot of the shorts. Wouldn't be surprised. Down here, people are buyers. So not only do you have leveraged traders entering here for swing longs, but you also have people who are accumulating here for long-term bags. So I wouldn't be surprised if there are some bids coming in, especially initially this morning, right? You can see NASDAQ, SPY pushing quite nice. Very nice, actually. Filling that gap. Bitcoin following through here. Solana following through here. $70 Solana, man. What a deal. What a deal. Squeeze, Biddy. Squeeze. In my opinion right now, we're trapping traders, right? Like, I think, they've pushed it up so aggressively. You got longs building right now. I expect rug, but that's just me. Everybody's FOMOing up at the highs right here. It's stalling out a little bit. Maybe we sweep the high and dump. Maybe we just hold here, a couple more candles, and then roll over. That's my thought, if you want my thought. I just wait here. I think we need to come down here, but we'll see. Still no trades, still waiting. Showing the trades, taking the trades every day. Nice push here. Can it go? SPY. Okay, SPY for a sign of weakness. NASDAQ for a sign of weakness. Sweeping the highs, taking the liquidity out of this high. Liquidity has been taken in both directions. We've taken the low here, taken the high here, back in the range. Now it's got a decision to make. Dark small candle. Okay. Do we follow through or not? I don't like it's not black. This suit is black. Not. He was a genuine chocolate face. Fuck. What a movie, man. What a movie. Calm down, pussycat. Good morning. What's going on, Curtis Hill? Good to see you, bro. How you doing? Late morning? It's all right, man. Curtis Hill, you always showing up, bro. Thank you. I've never seen or heard of a dark small candle. Well, if you go on a 5-minute time frame or a 3-minute, you got the wick and the wick, right? And then you get the body and the dark small. No? Use the force. You will be profitable today. There's my affirmation for all of you. Obi-Wan Kenobi, you guys. You will be profitable today. Oh shit. It doesn't stop here, does it? You guys just get me going all day. I can't handle. You can't handle the truth. Need a God candle, don't we all, right? Thank you, Alex. You're welcome. You're welcome. Always want. I will say it over and over again. I love seeing you guys fucking win, man. This is not an easy job. Bro, any ETH trade with Bitcoin? I hate ETH, but I normally trade Solana. ETH looks the same, man. Just trying to hold 1721. Key level. Squeeze. Hopefully it squeezes. Downtrending momentum. Nice squeeze on Bitcoin. I'm watching on my other screen. So trying to break out here on ETH. Looking good. SFP of the high here on Biddy. Continuation up. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Let's go, baby. NASDAQ pumping. SPY pumping. Nice recovery, guys. Nice recovery. Big squeeze here. Big squeeze energy. Liquidity. Okay, this one a little bit higher. Big resistance here. Red box. Nice push. NASDAQ, nice push. SPY. Decent. Yeah, I wouldn't touch ETH with, farmers and Army Piper pushing kind of deal. I'm not a very big fan of ETH. I sold all my ETH. I bought 40 ETH at like 1250 or something like that last bear market, and then I sold it all at the highs. Peak number 2. That's where I sold it. Peak 2. Great push here, guys. VWAP holding, pushing up, continuation up 1.5% already. NASDAQ retesting lows. Okay. A little bit of weakness on the SPY, but Bitcoin looking good, man. Bitcoin looking juicy AF. Big push out here, guys. Continuation up. 786 levels, so we're hitting 786 now. Don't get it twisted. We are still into resistance here. 786 resistance. Okay. Just saying. Alex, why did you have to put a 786 on the chart? I can hear Dusty already. Move that 786, please. Oh. Good times. Coming back down here, retest to previous highs. Continuation up. Little exhaustion on the SPY here. 786 tap. I mean, this is swing short area, right? This is like... We'll see. I'm not convinced. Nice push up, NASDAQ coming back into the range. SPY failing to push though. Biddy, a little bit of weakness here. Bearish divergence. Still waiting. Still waiting. I'm going to have a big ass orb today, everybody. Holy smokes. Ray orb is going to be 2%. You're going to have to put a midline in that orb today, in my opinion. All right. Chopping at the 786 here. A little bit of weakness. NASDAQ rolling over. SPY rolling over. Weakness on the market. Considering a short here. Indecision, 786 resistance. Grabbing this liquidity. A little bit more to go here. NASDAQ weak, SPY weak. Interesting. Oil's rolled over, so that's decent. Retest to previous highs. Coming back for late longs. NASDAQ trying to hold here, leading the way. NASDAQ's kind of leading the way, so let's watch NASDAQ, see if we pop back off here for a potential long. Order block retest on Solana. It's a little bit high for my liking. I'd prefer it down here somewhere. Coming back down. NASDAQ and SPY potentially bouncing here. I think we need to go lower. Looking lower. Solana lower. Bearish divergence. Yeah, big bear div. Bear div energy. Doji engulfing, continuation down potentially here. Into block. This is probably a 1 minute block here. Yeah. Patience. 500 people on the live stream, guys. Only 180 likes. I guess I haven't earned your subscription or your like yet. We still haven't taken a trade. That's fine. We take trades all day long, baby. So we here. NASDAQ continuing to roll over. SPY trying to catch a bid. Still got gap up to fill. NASDAQ trying to catch a bid. Bitcoin trying to catch a bid here. Solana order block retest. I think we need to come lower here. I would look for back into this area here, 69.56 for Solana. Stalling out a little bit here. Coming into orb here, we got 15 seconds. NASDAQ showing weakness here, guys. 786 rejection level. Same with this. Same with SPY. SPY and NASDAQ showing weakness here. All right, there's our orb. So the easiest way to split this in half, guys, typically is I'd just put a fib here. And you go your 0.5 and you would put your horizontal here. Okay, so you get your horizontal. Your 0.5, whoop. There's your 0.5 right there. And you can make that your middle orb, which does help, in my opinion. Especially when orb is huge like this, right? So you got a middle orb line now. it can help you with your because this is a big move, right? It's like it's almost a 2% orb. So split it in half. It helps me. I don't know if it helps you. You can even dash it if it makes it cool for you. There you go. Especially when orb is, I'd say if orb is greater than 1%, I always split it, generally. Open range breakout. If you're new here, it's the first 15-minute candle of market open. Welcome to the show. Thank you for being here. Thank you for smashing those likes. I shut up at 200, right? So thank you for supporting the channel. Rotation down. Rotation down. NASDAQ showing the way right now. NASDAQ leading the way. Dump it, baby. Bearish divergence right now. Still waiting here. I wanted to see down here for Solana. Didn't give it. All right, pushing back here off of mid-orb. NASDAQ bouncing. There we go. Solana trying to push. I still think lower right now. No trades. Showing the trades. Taking the trades. Still no trades, guys. Still waiting. Let's see where we get to. SPY getting a little bit of a bid. Same with the NASDAQ. A little bit of a pushback here. Still very weak. Very weak sell-off here. Reckon a lot of them. So we'll see if we do want to continue down. We could look for a wick test short here, potentially. Stop loss above orb. I prefer 64,400 to be honest, but like a failed orb breakout, something like this. That's what I prefer. Doesn't mean I get it. Just waiting here. You do wick test, potential continuation down off of the low here. No. NASDAQ and SPY getting a bid. No short. Still waiting. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. View up, order block, bottom of orb confluence. Nice, Andre. That short would have played out. Up top here. Lots of things would have played out. I mean, it's execution, right? Execution's critical. Or bottom / top, nice. ETH is unlimited. Chopping at the top here. No real decision. Personally, I'd like higher for the entry again. Yeah, makes sense. Pro MBTC is trading at on 60K soon. Mr. Lover. You shorted the local bottom? I'm sorry to hear that, man. Hopefully you find a better entry. All right, indecision up at the highs here. Into resistance on NASDAQ. Continuation down. Pardon me, guys. Sorry for coughing in the mic. Okay. Trapping traders. This is just stalling out right now, so we wait. NASDAQ weak. Okay, lower high for SPY, maybe. Lower high for SPY would be good. Golden Pocket 786, bearish divergence. So typically you're looking for shorts in here if you're an intraday trader. So you're typically looking for this trade here. Something like this. If you're intraday trading, but we are obviously scalping. Looking to come into the imbalance fair value gap for Bitcoin right now. Looking to come into here for potential long. Looking at something like this, depending on price action. At least up into top of the orb. NASDAQ indecisive here, chopping. I think we go down here, guys. This looks like down, but indecision. Just chop. So we wait. Still waiting. Big giveaway today. Looking forward to doing the giveaway. That's in 10, 20 minutes here. Patience, patience, patience. Unfortunately. I almost got the man bun ready, guys, for the bear market. Man bun bear market. That's hard to say quickly. Man bun bear market. Remember that. I think the mullet would be, we could do the man bear market, and then we can do the mullet after. What do you guys think? We do the mullet or the man bun first, then the mullet. Remember who you're trading against, guys. All right. And then the mullet, because we can do 2-for-1 deal, right? And then we do a Discord sale as well. Use code word mullet man. Oh, fucking crazy here, isn't it? Right? Man, bear, pig. Mullet is for bull markets. Okay. We need to add a sword. Mullet man. That would be my my superhero, mullet man. That word, yeah. It's not capitulation, is it? Is a man bun plus mullet a party in the front and back? I think it's just a party, bro. Right? It's like it's a house party. It's like how they say grass doesn't grow on a busy street. Well, it's a busy ass street, man. Chop at the top, man. This is ugly. We go from moving. Market isn't even open, and we move fucking 3%. Sorry for swearing. And now it's just it's flat. I almost swore again. What is this garbage, man? Like trapping longs. That's what I see. It's trapping longs. Dump it. That's what I see. I could be wrong, but I see dump it. Flush it down into fair value gap. Who's your daddy and what does he do? Still waiting. Solana. Yeah, same bear div. Bear divs 786 down. Nasdaq's not even sure where to go. Solana, same deal. Chop. Choppy. Still waiting here, guys. Thank you for being here. Maybe we do the giveaway early and continue to trade after the giveaway. You should do cross country with that hair, dude. Yeah. I want to have like the full mullet. Give it away now. What will the mullet pronouns be? Well, mine's Lord Otter, King Beaver. So the mullets, what would a mullet pronoun be? Mullet over? There's like a whole bunch of play on words with that. Get laid. FAFO. What's going on, Kodak? Good to see you, man. What indicators do I use? Market cipher, VWAP, Fibonacci, order blocks, price action, price action, price action, and more price action. Price action. Mr. Bombastic. It just all of a sudden this thing's just dead, man. 9:56. Top of the hour soon. VWAP continuation, retest of previous highs, push up into 64.5. Push in Nambe Pambe. Ascending triangle on SPY. This typically breaks out. NASDAQ looks like a trash monkey. Diamond reversal. Breakout. No trade here. Still waiting. Doji engulfing continuation up. Looking to take the liquidity of the high right now. Still no trade, guys. Giveaway today. If you're not signed up to the link, you can do that and deposit and get entered in. We do $5,000 giveaway every day or every Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. You use the Bitunix link, you deposit, and you get to make free money. I didn't sleep last night. I slept well last night. Slept really well last night. Still in carpentry. Doom cycle. You'll get there, bro. You'll get there. Back pain is very motivational. Got to keep the we keep the drill on the desk for a reason. Cuz it smells like sex. Oh. That old DeWalt, baby, my tractor. But it reminds me to be grateful that I get to sit here and click buttons instead of slinging nails all day. Let's get hammered and I'll nail ya. You know? Carpenter life. Okay, continuation. Continuation here. Coming for the high. Coming for the high. Burgers and fries. Still no trade. That's my impact farmer. I wish you could look it up, man. This is from when I was like 19, 18 years old. This been throw off bridges and in lakes. This has been everywhere. It's still got like Bondo on the. It's got Bondo on it. It's got plaster. It's got this is I think 90 here. Pink 90. You put pink in the mud so you can see it. It's got everything going on in this thing. This thing's old. First gen 20 volt. Yeah, man. Indestructible. Nice, bro. Yeah, I'm 36, so it's 18 years old. I had it when I was 18, so 18-year-old drill still works better than 90% of the drills out there. It's my beautiful tractor. I got the case right up there. I got my drill case beside my computer case. It's kind of funny. It's also got the my regular drill, hammer drill. Double top 786 guys. Continuation up here. Slowed down right nasty. Right nasty. Slowed down right now. Still no trade. Waiting. Top of the orb. Continuation up. Good push this morning, guys. I mean, I think VWAP slap was the long, really. Right now it's, can it squeeze? Can it squeeze? Trying to squeeze up into these highs here on Solana. Same with Bitcoin, trying to squeeze up into these highs up here. Late shorts, late to the game. Doesn't mean that the trend still isn't down. Just means, you know, we should be patient here. Not trying to force a trade today. I did that plenty yesterday. Paid for it. So doing a giveaway. We can do the giveaway as well. Let's do that now. Maybe we do the giveaway so that we're you guys are all rich here. Do. Copy the link. $1,500 today. Breaking out Bitcoin. Breaking out Bitcoin for all those who got liquidated. This is your chance to get some of that money back. Thank you for being here and hanging out. AlexOCrypto show. We're gonna go with the OG song, man. Let's see who wins today. You guys keep telling me it's rigged. $1,500 giveaway. Good luck, everybody. Block Party. Congratulations, Block Party, man. Thank you for using the affiliate link and supporting the channel. Congratulations on your $500. Here we go. What you know about juice? Making them moves that are flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolio's taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The results. Let's go. Congratulations to JAT. $500, baby. Let's go. Congratulations on your winnings, man. GG's. GG's in the chat. GG's. Top of the orb rejection right now. 3 drives up at the highs. And bar. Congratulations. $1,500 giveaway for all 3 of you guys. $500 apiece. Let's go. Bar. Congratulations, guys. Thank you guys for using the affiliate link. We'll do $2,000 tomorrow. Congratulations to all the winners. Winner, winner, chicken dinner, baby. Congratulations, guys. Down we go. Okay. Follow through. No follow through. Weakness. NASDAQ rolling over. SPY rolling over. Huh. Interesting. Trying to push. Biddy trying to push. Solana looks a bit toppy as well. Going straight into the Discord after this. in 10 minutes. Trading this thing live with everybody. No delay. All that good stuff. Congratulations to the winners. What's going on, everybody? Thank you for being here. Remember, summer goes fast, guys. Last days of spring. That's it. Enjoy it while you can. Beautiful, beautiful weather coming up. Good fun. Nice pushback here. Retest for previous highs. Continuation up. 3 drives up at the highs. Looking for a mitigation of the low. Continuation down potentially here. So looking for a rejection up top here. Looking for a bounce down here. Continuation up right now. Looking strong. NASDAQ rolling over. SPY rolling over, though. So warning signs already. But Bitcoin catching a bid this morning. Continuation up here after rotating down aggressively into the top of the range here. We'll see if it does want to get a rejected or if it's going to continue to climb. So far, so good. Congratulations if you're long. Congratulations if you shorted. Congratulations to everyone. We'll see. No trades right now. Not trying to force it. That's the key. I mean, this is still pretty aggressive continuation here. NASDAQ and SPY don't look too healthy right now, so could be a trap. It could be a trap here. I mean, key target would be down here. 62.8. 62.8. I would look for this thing to come back here. If we break here and then, oh yeah, baby. We'll see. Why does this thing keep fucking... Sorry. Looking to come for these highs here. Patience, patience. NASDAQ push back into the lows. Yep. SPY trying to hold higher lows. It's weird. We get like all this volatility and then market opens and we're stuck. It's not normal. It's not normal, but hey ho, here we are. Good to see you, DB. Bar is me. Let's go, man. Congratulations, DB. $500, bro. GG's, bro. Do you even degen? Occasionally, Dusty. BTC seems like it's doing an inverse of NASDAQ. I mean, they've been pretty inverse. If you look on the high time frames, Bitcoin's this and NASDAQ is this. So, here we go into resistance now. Breaking out of that orb. Bitcoin flying, baby. Since this morning, we up 3%. Since this morning, guys, looking good. Break even Bitcoin here. Bitcoin dominance increasing a lot as well. Continuing to climb. Failed or breakout is typically bearish though, so watching for shorts here potentially. Considering shorts up here. Key level resistance. We'll see. Maybe short here. Not yet. Still climbing. NASDAQ still climbing back up here. A little bit of patience right now. Still waiting. I see reversal structure up top here potentially. Key level resistance. Well, I'm gonna let it go for now. We're gonna jump into the Discord. It's been a fun stream, everybody. I mean, no trades today, but you know, simple, easy stream. Not trying to force it right now. Bitcoin climbing. Don't get in the way of the climb. Wait for reversal structure. Patience will pay. Thank you, everybody, for being here and supporting the channel. I do appreciate you guys hanging out here every morning. God bless you guys. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Trade safe, and I will see you guys in the Discord or tomorrow. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pants full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed.